This heavy-duty WXRYLYN F150 phone mount uses a solid metal dash platform and aluminum components that feel far more rugged than typical plastic holders. It bolts into the original screw points on compatible F150 and Super Duty dashboards, so the mount feels like a factory piece rather than an add-on that might wobble or fall off. The 3-track base lets you slide and reposition the arm to match your driving position, which makes it easy to keep the screen in view without blocking road visibility. Its strong magnetic head and firm clamping system keep even larger smartphones stable over rough roads and work sites, with no annoying bouncing or slipping. The spring-loaded cradle fits a wide range of iPhone and Android models in thicker cases, so you are unlikely to need to remove your everyday protective cover. Photographers and content creators will appreciate the integrated cold shoe and 1/4-inch threaded mount, which make it simple to attach small cameras or accessories for in-cab recording.